There are more people ask me how to create a professional YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to create a professional or brand YouTube channel. There are 2 or 3 processes how to create a YouTube channel, but I show you today how to create a professional YouTube channel. It's not hard to do, but if you make mistake to create a channel, it could be make problem in future. It will cover 3 topics. Number 1 is create a normal YouTube channel. Listen, if you want to create a brand channel, you have to create normal channel first. 2 is create a brand channel. And last, but not the least, move normal channel to brand channel. Okay, no delay, let's get started.
You have to open your browser first. And go to YouTube. Then click on it. Create a channel. Type a name of your channel. After that, go to YouTube Studio. Then click on Settings. Then Advanced Settings. Then you see here Create a Channel. Type the name of your channel. Click on this, then Create. Then back to your home page. After that, there is showing 2 channels. Click on the first channel. Click on it. In YouTube Studio. And click on Settings. Then Channel. Then Advanced Settings. Here you will find Manage Your Account. Click on it. See an option which name is moved to brand account. There you find the option name Replace. Click on this. Read this instruction and click to move channel. Not to worry, your channel is not permanently deleted. Here will take 10 minutes. Now we have to see that channel created or not. Let's see. Here you see two channel. One is no channel and another is no subscriber. Second one is our newly created channel, or we can say brand channel. Now here you can see you can add manager for your YouTube channel, which you can't do before. Manager can manage your account. Like they can delete content, they can monitor all of the things, but they can't replace owner. They just manage your channel. It's like you've given them the power of attorney. That's all for today. See you in the next tutorial. Till then, take care.